Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Form, and today we will discuss why we only measure zero point 0.5 and 5 micron particles in clean rooms. What is the reason due to which we do not measure the particles of size less than 0.5 micron and we do not measure the particles of size more than 5 micron. Hello everyone, I am Sajad, and if you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel to watch more informative videos. So as you know that two types of particles are monitored in the clean rooms. One are the viable particles and second one is the non-viable particles. Viable particles are those particles which are living organisms and they are not able to move from one place to another place, and these are generated by the personnel working in the clean rooms. Non-viable particles are non-living particles. They may be the dust or fibers and they are able to move from one place to another place by the air currents, and these act as a transporter or carrier. These non-viable particles are generated by the HVAC system, process or materials. If you do not know about the clean room classification, the link of video about the clean room classification system is given in description. Must watch the complete video. So suppose here is a small bacteria, and as we discussed previously, living organism is the viable particle. They are not able to move from one place to another place. So how it will move? For its movement, it have to adhere or stick with the non-viable particle. Mean it will adhere or stick with the non-viable particle, and then it will move from one place to another place along with the air current. So what is the reason for 0.5 and 5 micron particle? The reason is that the viable particle find it very difficult to stick with the particles of the size less than 0.5 micron. That is why we do not measure the particles of size less than 0.5 micron, and these viable particles, if adhered to the non-viable particles having size greater than 5 micron, the size of particle become very heavy and it is not able to move with the air current and it settle down on the ground. That is why we only measure the particles of size 0.5 and 5 micron, because these are the ideal particle size of non-viable particles to which the viable particles adhere. I hope you are familiar with the concept. And second one is that most of the bacteria ranges between the size of 0.5 and 5 micron. That is why we only measure 0.5 and 5 micron particles. If you like the video, share it to others and subscribe my channel. Also visit my website farmandform.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.